I'm paying $3,500 for my insurance. But if I knew that before, now I was paying way less for my insurance. So the way they explain to me is working under somebody else DOT. I was give him 20% for all the load I was doing because I was under his DOT. But even with that, I was able to buy my own truck. I had a video. I posted a video when I went buy this truck. So. And right now I still have a lot, you know, I have a few bucks on my savings, you know, but I'm gonna try on my best every day now, not even every day, but every week, records what I do on a daily basis, how I book loads, how I set up my filters. So and pretty much everything I do on my daily basis to get a load and to pick up a load and drop it, you know, I'm gonna try to do my best. But if you have any questions for me, you can go on the you can. Hi, what's up lady? Hi. So you can go and ask those questions. Maybe I'm gonna be able to answer those. But how I say, it's been good doing Amazon. I think like you can make a living doing Amazon. The only thing you have to know how the system works, how to book loads on Amazon, and you have to know to when Amazon gonna be. Somebody hit him on the back. So I got paid $1,300 for this load. So yesterday they posted a load came in from Massachusetts to Windsor, Connecticut. It was paying $800 on the board, so I booked that. So I bring it empty. I decided to stay here because it was night, you know. I take a nap, I sleep, so I wake up early in the morning. They have another load going back. It's an empty go-karts. I was going back from Connecticut, going to Massachusetts. It was paying $500, so I booked that. So those two runs gonna pay me $1,300. Anyways, I was going back with no loads. I was going Bobbytail back, so it was good. They was paying $500 to go back, so it's good run. I know I'm working on a Thanksgiving Day, but you know, we gotta make this money. So, and I still have a lot of time this week yet to work. It's sad, man, when you see a lot of animals dead on the road, you know. It's sad. It's just sad. Anyways, man, it's been a lot of years, man. It's been a good year. Starting this year, working for FedEx, coming all the way to buy my own truck, and I have my own authority now, working for myself. Man, these cars, they are heavy, so it's gonna spend me a lot of diesel. No, man, come on. Yeah, working for Amazon, you move a lot of light loads. Like, the only thing is heavier that you can do is go-karts. When you move go-karts they are heavy. So But anyways, so it's been good. Like now on Amazon on the peak season, they have a lot of loads on the load board now. They paying really new contractors. They starting getting on Amazon. They complain that they're not seeing the good paying loads, because what they don't know is you only be able to see loads by your performance. So you have to protect your performance. So the performance work like that. You start on 100. So, but every time you get on the facilities late, even if it's a minute, so you're gonna lose points. Like if you lose points, so you're going down on your performance. So the first guys that can see the lows are those one that have 100%. So if you go down on points, the only lows that you're gonna be able to see are those lows that nobody is taking those. Like, so that's why. So to be able to see good loads, you have to have a good score. For that, you have to be on the facility late, not refuse the loads. You know, you have to do everything the way Amazon wants you to do. Yeah, so the Google GPS, it was showing me all the way till coming here. It was giving me different routes, but you know, once you have an Amazon trailer, Amazon trailer has a GPS. It's like certain routes you should not take. That's why I didn't take those routes. Now I'm gonna be stuck like it's red, you know, and it's gonna go up. Yeah, definitely it's gonna go up. So yeah, the insurance, yeah. Oh my. Man, these go-karts, they are heavy, man. I don't know what's going on, but you know, man, I'm not gonna take that route. Yeah, yeah, he's gonna use the breakdown line. So the insurance on the new driver now is very high. I'm paying $3,500 for my insurance, but it's not because I am a new driver. That's the way they explain to me. If I knew that before, now I was paying way less for my insurance. So the way they explain to me is because I have a new DOT. Oh, I'm already on Massachusetts. Because I have a new DOT. Like, if you want to come this route and you know you're gonna one day open your own business, now that you are a new driver, or even you in the school right now, you can go and open your DOT. It's just, I did a quick search on YouTube, and I had a video, someone's explained to me how to open my own DOT and stuff like that. So it pretty much like you're gonna pay $300 for that. So if you know you're gonna come this route, that you're gonna have your own DOT, your own authority, it's better for you right now. Even if you're not starting working on your under your own DOT, you can go and open. Once you open, if your DOT is already open at least 1 or 2 years, you're gonna pay way less on insurance. You know, even if you're not working under your DOT. I didn't know that, because if I knew that, now I was paying way less, because I'm paying $3,500. So if you know you're gonna come this route and one day you're gonna have your own business, work under yourself, So it's better go now, even if you're on the school, even if you're a new driver, just go and open your DOT.